Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix no Wi-Fi after Windows update in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Internet Ethernet. Click Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties. Click Use the following DNS addresses. File value to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Click OK, close. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Type net sh space int space IP space reset. Type net sh space winsock space reset. Type ipconfig space / flush DNS. Type exit to exit from command prompt. Restart your system. Third method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click, click Disable. Then right-click, Enable. Fourth method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click, Diagnose. Close and exit. Fifth and final method is type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Network Adapters. Right-click your network card, click Uninstall. Click Uninstall. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.